Boy, there's just nothing like getting a box of sharp blades back in the mail. This came from my blade sharpener down in Yokohama today. I just sent it out a couple days ago. Amazing turnaround these guys have. Seriously. It's like 3 days max, and get all my blades back. Oh, take that off of there. Oh, this is my blade box. I made this up. I've been using it for a very long time. It's very simple. This is how my blades come back. Look at that, all nicely wrapped up. Oh my goodness, heavy as can be. So I've got, I think, 8 blades in here, something like that. This is for my larger, what is that? 190 millimeters. That's like 6 inch, 6.5 inch. These are all my 10-inch table saw blades because I needed a bunch of them sharpened. Been kind of neglecting running through them. They all come back. They are nice and sharp, let me tell you. Oh boy. And they're all wrapped up beautiful. These guys just do such a spectacular job. They're in Tokyo, so it doesn't really help many of you guys overseas, but I will put I can't really put a link down. They don't have a website, but I can put their Google Map address, etc. in the description down below. Anyways, all come nicely wrapped in these bags, and just, it's so great to have a good saw sharpening service. Anyways, that's it. Just a quick little one today. Take care. Bye-bye.